Seems like it's been forever. Yeah, but every time that we get together,
Greetings, YouTube. Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And YouTube, in today's video, YouTube, we're going to take you guys back over to our 3-foot by 6-foot in-ground garden planter that we did indeed name the Pumpkin Patch, where we're currently growing both pumpkins and one lonely Big Max pumpkin plant back there in the back of that planter back there. We just recently brought you guys a video update on this planter, but we'll take you guys back over there today because earlier this evening we went out to that planter. We actually did a prune back on the leaves of that planter. We did that for a couple of reasons. The first reason was to remove some dead and dying foliage that was in that planter. The second reason was to create better airflow in that planter that will allow the soil to dry out, the soil in that planter to dry out faster after each time we come out here and water that planter, and after every time it rains, because this planter sits indeed in partial shade over there. The second reason we did that is to take some of the strain off of the root systems to our plants, to allow those plants to put more of that more of their energy into developing fruit on our plants. And as we were doing that earlier today, YouTube, we discovered something that was really kind of a shock to us over there. We had no idea this was going on over there. All of the plants in this planter are indeed the same age. The seeds were planted at the same time. We planted those seeds in our seed germination pots, germinated those seeds, and then planted the seedlings over there at the pumpkin patch. So they were all germinated at the same time. They were all planted the same depth in the soil. They've all received the same nutrition, water, rain, fall, and all that stuff, YouTube. But for some reason, one plant over there at the pumpkin patch already has a cucumber on it that is ready to be harvested. A huge cucumber, YouTube. And again, we just came out here about 2 days ago and filmed a video on this planter, and we did not notice this cucumber. There are indeed several medium to small size cucumbers on this plant, but again, YouTube, we do indeed have one harvest ready cucumber, and this is indeed these are indeed organic cucumbers. They're by Fairy Morse. Here they're a 45-day variety of cucumber. Basically from 45 days from the time you plant your seedlings in your garden, you should be expecting to have cucumbers on your plants, or at the stage where they're nearing time to be harvested. Our cucumber plants are approximately 48 days old, and that's including the time that we planted them in our seed germination trays, and the time that they grew there, and the time that has transpired since we actually planted them over there at the pumpkin patch. YouTube, I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys, and first of all, I'm going to show you some of the medium to small size cucumbers on those plants over there that we showed you guys a couple of days ago in our previous video update, that are now 3 to 4 times as large as they were a couple of days ago due to the rainfall that we got here on yesterday. We had a nice thunderstorm come through here yesterday afternoon. It laid down about nearly an inch of rain here at YouTube. It rained for quite a while here, and a lot of things changed in our garden. So I'm gonna flip this camera around for you guys, take you guys back over to the pumpkin patch for our very first organic cucumber harvest. Hang tight, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, indeed, here we are approaching the pumpkin patch, where again we planted both cucumbers, a 45-day variety of organic cucumber. We also originally had planted Big Max pumpkin seeds in this planter. None of them germinated until after we came back and planted our cucumber seedlings in this planter, and then we had one lonely pumpkin plant that did actually germinate back there in the back of that planter against the wall. You can see those leaves look a lot different from these pumpkin leaves over these cucumber leaves over here. And at any rate, YouTube, I'm going to take you guys in for a close-up right now of the abundance of not only blossoms but cucumbers that we actually have on these plants, and show you some of the different sizes and of these cucumbers. And then I'm going to take you guys in and show you this one huge harvest ready cucumber that we had discovered on our plants today, after again we came out here and again trimmed back a lot of the foliage in our actual planter area. As you can see, you can actually see the soil in this planter now, and you can see an abundance of blossoms over there. But not only that, YouTube, we have a ton of various size cucumbers over here on these plants. I'm gonna show you guys a few of those before I show you guys the cucumber that we're about to harvest right here and right now. Take a look at this, YouTube. Let's see here. Take you guys in. Show you like that little fella down there. Didn't even know he was on the plant the other day when we came out here for our video update. That little fella down in there, if you can see that guy. One there, one down there, a couple of nice ones right there, YouTube. A couple right there you can see over in there. Pretty decent sized one right there. Got one right there. Nice sized one over in there. And several more across this planter and on the vines that stretch out now below the red shed there and over across to Queen Annie's place here. But we wanted to show you guys, YouTube, again today when we came out here to actually prune back the leaves on our plants. This is what we discovered, YouTube. This is indeed what we discovered. Again, this is a 45-day variety of organic cucumber. You guys know we only use composted cow manure on our planters, so again we can say that we're pretty close to organic gardening here. So again, and besides that, we did actually plant an organic variety of cucumbers. So again, YouTube, again, this is what is indeed what has happened here in this planter in the past 48 days, YouTube. In the past 48 days, with this 45-day variety of cucumber. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Can you guys see that? I have no idea how this cucumber was here. We looked beyond the leaves on these plants out here on several different occasions. Did not see this cucumber. But again, YouTube, again, our first organic cucumber here. And we're about to take this guy off the vines right here and right now. Again, you see those little guys, for some reason they seem to grow well on this log up here. Maybe I need to put some straw in this planter or something to speed up development or something, YouTube. But again, we have tons of cucumbers on these plants. I'm about to get in here right now and go ahead and take this, our first organic cucumber, off of our plants here at the pumpkin patch. I can get these scissors in there behind this cucumber. See that, guys? Snip that off. I'm gonna pick that guy up and show you, give you guys a better look at what it looks like. Indeed, YouTube, indeed, our very first organic cucumber grown right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Growth Zone 8B in our 3-foot by 6-foot in-ground garden planter that we did indeed name the Pumpkin Patch. And we can't be more pleased by our first harvest, YouTube. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video and not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting our first organic cucumber from the Pumpkin Patch. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Seems like it's been forever. Yeah, but every time that we get together, it feels just like the very first time. I must admit, Jazzy J, it's really been a long time since we got together, did this mic and said what's on our minds. You looking good to me, thick and sexy, so fine. And since day one, you know you've been the apple of my eyes. Every time you cross my mind, it always makes my nature rise. It feels good to me when you let me slip inside. Every time we grind, it always feels just like the first time. Just like the first time, our very first time. Let me kiss you on your neck, girl, let me help you get undressed. Get around this lion while you kiss that tattoo on my chest. Tell me that I'm the best and you love the way I make you flex. Get a cat so wet, getting wet, I say the Pokemon I'm stroking every time we're having sex. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. Round two, it's been so long, I don't know how to act. Turn around, it's going down to this lion, hit it from the back. Watch your pleasure multiply with my hands gripping on your thighs. I know it's good to you, I can see it in your eyes. You know I aim to please, I can feel you shaking on your knees. Telling me don't stop because you're close and about to come for me. And you know that I ain't gonna stop until I take you to the top. Make you ski, have you soaking up the shit because you're coming on repeat. I'm about to give you all I got. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time.
It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time.
It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. Wanna hear you call my name while you're tugging at my lion's mane. Don't close your eyes, you know this line's about to bring the pain. It's driving me insane cause I love the way you make it rain. This line's roaring for you, girl, and this is not a game. Let me get on top of you, you know just how this lion moves. It's been too long and so you know I got a lot to prove. Open up and let me in and give it to you all again. Roll up another slip and put this cush up in the wind. And it ain't no surprise I will wake up until the sunrise. Body motion like the ocean while I stroke inside. Too many people don't understand how we came up with a different plan. A lion king and a lady lion in love with her man. Yeah, just like the first time.